Good morning students, I am Varun from Oxford School of Education. I hope all is well. Today we are going to start term 2 and today we will discuss chapter number 1, Political Theory and Introduction. In this chapter we will discuss what is politics, what do we study in political theory, putting political theory to practice, and why should we study political theory. Human beings are unique in two respects. They possess reason, the ability to reflect on their actions. Political theory analyzes basic questions such as how society should be organized, why do we need government, which is the best government, does law limits our freedom, what does the state on its citizens, what do we or each other as citizens. Political theory also examines questions of this kind and systematically thinks about the value inform political life value such as freedom, equality and justice. What is politics? You think this topic? Politics is the study of power and the or struggle for power. No society can exist without some form of political organization and collective decision making. A number of social institutions such as the family, tribes and economic institutions have emerged to help people fulfill their needs and aspirations. Such institutions help us find way of living together, acknowledging our obligation to each other. How government are formed and how they functions in thus an important focus of politics. But politics is not confined to the affair of government. In fact, what governments do is relevant because it affects the lives of people in many different ways, like their economic policy, foreign policy and education policy affect the people's life. Since the action of the government affects us deeply, people take a lively interest in what governments do. When people disagree with the policies of the government, we protest and organize demonstration to pursue the government to change the existing law. So finally, politics arise from the facts that we have different vision of what is just and desirable us and our society. It involves the multiple negotiations that go on in society through which collective decisions are made. What do we study in political theory? There are certain values and principles that have inspired people and guided policy. For example, ideals like democracy, freedom or equality. Different countries may try to protect such values by ensuring them in their constitutions, as is the case with the American and Indian Constitution. What do we study in political theory? These documents did not just emerge overnight, they are built upon the ideas and principles debated almost since the time of Kautilya, Aristotle, to Jean-Jacques Rousseau, Karl Marx, Mahatma Gandhi and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. As far back as the 5th century BC, Plato and Aristotle discussed with their students whether monarchy or democracy was better. In modern times, Rousseau first argued for freedom as a fundamental right of humankind. Karl Marx argued that equality was as crucial as freedom. In India, Mahatma Gandhi discussed the meaning of genuine freedom or Swaraj in his book Hind Swaraj. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar vigorously argued that the scheduled castes must be considered a minority and as such must receive special protection. Political theory deals with the ideas and principles that shape constitution, government and social life in a systematic manner. It clarifies the meaning of concepts such as freedom, equality, justice, democracy, secularism, and so on. It probes the significance of principles such as rule of law, separation of power, judiciary review, etc. Next topic we will discuss in next video. Thank you.